Hello, welcome to Cool Life channel. Today is November 28, 2024. Now we are in Guangzhou Cool Life to introduce our products to you. This is our EV power chain system and transmission system. Trainer. This is very popular models for automotive EVs lab equipment. And we already sell a lot of this model because it's quite easy to understand the complete EV power chain system. It included the battery system and the motor system, and also the reducer, included the control units as well. So it's small models, but included all the system of EV power chains. And so these models, it included the battery system. We can see very clearly here. Because for educations, so we use only the battery is only 24 cells, which is the voltage range from 76 to 80. It's not dangerous for the student, but can educate it and easy to understand. We can see there's some holes in this and easy to root the struggle. We can see inside how the battery cells lay out and connecting. We can see the windings connecting from one by one because this is for balancing as well. And also the winding can monitor the battery temperatures and voltage and currents of each cell. So we can got the data of the battery very clearly. Also, we can use the multimeter to measure the voltage. If we want to, we just measure. We want to repair the battery. We need to know if each cell, some cells already broken and lost function. We just use the multimeter to measure it and confirm it. Then we one pin connect to the negative and one pin connect to the positive. We can see the data, the values right now. Yeah, of the battery. Oh, okay. So it's very easy to understand. Right now, we can see this cell is 3.16 voltage. So if we use to educate the student, they can look how it's laid out, can use this multimeter to measure to understand each cell's voltage. And there's a cooling fans in both sides to keep the systems at a good conditions, at a good working temperatures. Because the temperature, if it get high, if you get hurt to the battery. And this is the control unit and onboard charging and DC to DC. This is very important systems for EV, and it is also can simulate the battery charge, the battery power connecting by the wiring to the control unit and delivery to the motor. So this is the power chains and power flows. By the struggle, we can look very clearly. And the battery connect the powers here to the motor, if the motor running, and the power change to the reducers. The reducers come with a difference show and connecting with the S-less and transfer to the view. And we can also add a system of the loading system so the student can understand if there's running on the road, there's loading happen, what is the torque is different. So there's a torque monitor over there, and we can see the torque status in the front side. Okay, we will introduce the front side, what included for you. Now about the power and the charging, we can see there's a charging port here. We can use the original charger, or this charger is not original, we just buy from the market. And you can press the button and connecting to the charge. And this is connecting well already. And during charging, we cannot turn on the machine. So we use the chargers must at the power off, like the switch off condition to charging. If we just pull out, we just press the button and push out. And this is the 12 volts electricity which we need because there are many lighting here. So just for simulating, turn on the switch, and we can see some low volt system already start. I would like to introduce from the front side what it included to you. Now from the front side, we can see there's a wireless diagram here. This wireless is included all the power trace wiring. Diagram is like from the motor controller, the battery, connecting the wiring to the control unit on board charge, and then to the motor controller, and then to the motor. So by this, we also understand the relationship between each system and how it connecting. And we also can use the multimeter to measure the voltage of the system as well. Such as I would like to measure some information, volt current to you, the voltage to you to understand how it works. Such as if we just turn on the machine, this is the ignition switch, we must turn on. And then we can see some lighting already start, and like this BMS display, this is the dashboard display, and this is the loading display, this is the torque display. So it means already on, but still not on working, like if the car running. Now I use the multimeter to measure the voltage for you to simulate it during working what is happening. So we can, this is what happened in the system, but we can measure here, such as for the acceleration pedal, we just turn on to the 200 volt or 20 volt, 200 volt, and then we start the system. Or just now we start the system with braking, and then braking and start the system, and we use the running. We use the pedal. We just give the press and the pedal running. You can see the data is different, and we just see the what is happened to the voltage of the if the part we during work. Okay, you can see if I press the pedals, the current of the system is different. It changes. So this is for understand the wiring and can measures as well. Very easy for the student to learning and very helpful. This is the force setting system. We can set force to the simulator. So the students can understand if the force happen, what looks like, and how to find the force and select the force. It is by their experience, by how they need to learn. So this force setting system, very easy. We just now we just press the practice model, and then press the button of the wiring. That means already open circuit. It have force to the system, and we just press again, and the force already clear. So this is for force settings simulation, and this is the loading system. That means we already add load to the system during running. We can increase the load, different load, and you can see the torque is different. So For education and training the student, we should let them know during different loading is working, the torque different is the power chain. This is the power chain different. And this we can change the gear from this gear level. Now we can change from the D to natural gear or reverse gear. And we can see also the display here change. By this equipment, you can easy to understand the struggle and included what systems and how the power change, and also have many practice if you have enough knowledge, and then you can exchange for education for different topics. Okay, this is my introduction of this product to you. Thank you.